Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete Snapchat link from Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, then tap on menu option, click on Facebook profile. After that tap on edit profile, scroll down, click on links edit, tap on Snapchat profile. Okay, then remove link, just click, then remove your Snapchat link, then remove, just wait, your link has been removed from your profile. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.